This is Roop Lakhani, and I aim to support you in your journey to raise your vibrations through tarot cards. I'm a premium tarot card reader and tutor with Thrive India. So let us do the prediction for the March month. So we start with two cards. The first is the love and the second is the finance, because for each one the love matters and the finances matters, right? So let us see what is there for the Aries people. Let us see what is there for the Aries people. So it is saying that if you are single, then win the man and woman of your dreams. There will be deeper understanding, results between committed partners, resulting in happiness, peace, and cooperation. You use your own counsel when to speak and when to back off. You and your partner overcome all the difficulties and you are going to enjoy good time. Watch for spiteful and bitter talk to avoid undesirable relation among the married couples. And the relationship with all the other friends, all the other family is all of the balance and harmony. So if you have put and nurtured your family, friends with lot of efforts, love, care, recognition, appreciation, then rewards are soon going to follow you. So this is a good time for you all, guys. Now let us see how the finance is going to be for the Aries people. So you can use your knowledge to earn money. We all have talents and skills, right? But we hardly can apply our knowledge, wisdom to make money. So this is what we have to do. You will probably have to abide by the established rules and regulations. Your philosophical learning and spiritual knowledge helps you in your earnings. You will get some unexpected assistance through some organization. So keep looking out for it. You may require advice or investment plans for financial strategies, or you may need to examine your attitudes about money. You can safely invest your money where it is bound to grow. You can buy property and put them in mutual funds, or you can even put your investments in any of the safe investments. Don't be tempted to spend your savings. You need to save for the rainy day. You should go by the strict rules to make your financial future bright. You can also talk to a financial expert in this matter and also discipline yourself in the financial matters. So let us see, Aries people, how the soul has to be empowered today with a soul message. This soul message is saying that the time has come to learn from the endings and freshly start with new beginnings. And the affirmation is, I'm learning that endings are merely the beginnings, and I'm going to learn the right lesson. And remember, the lessons are always positive of the nature. Let us see what the empowerment cards are trying to tell you. Empowerment cards are all for us. Why? Because the life is never the same. Life is always going up and down, and we need to keep ongoingly empower ourselves. So here comes the empowerment message. By uniting with another, means for whoever the people are, by uniting with another, you accomplish more than either of you could achieve alone. Uniting the different facets of your own personality allows emotional balance and acceptance to what life brings. Love and cooperation follows through understanding and mutual feelings. Today you need to affirm for the March month, I respect and accept the emotions and feelings in a relationship. I live in harmony with myself and others.